Do you have a faceless channel and you don't know how you can go live without showing your face? Then this video is for you. Many small creators think that for you to go live, you have to show your face. And I'm here to tell you that that's not true. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to go live without showing your face. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe, ring that notification bell so that you can get a notification whenever I post a video. So step by step, we start. I'll show you first. We have vertical live and horizontal live. So going live, you can go live using your YouTube app, or you can go live using other apps like not app that other websites like StreamYard, Restream. You can choose whatever you want to do. But for the small creators, if you are looking for watch hours, I would advise for you to do vertical live. Don't go for horizontal. Vertical live, many people, it's like short. Many people can watch it through short, and it is YouTube pushes it more, and you get more subscribers, you get more watch hours very fast compared to vertical live. So if you're a small creator and you're looking for subscribers and you're looking for watch hours, the best live to go is vertical live. And for the faceless channels, I'm here for you today to show you how you can do that. You can go that, but you can do that vertical live without showing your face. So today I'm using StreamYard to show you how you can go live without showing your face. Faceless live. So you can here search StreamYard. For me this here. When you come to StreamYard, there's login and create. So for me, I'm not creating because I'm being on StreamYard before. If you're not, can create. When you come here, there's live stream recording on airway. So recording is where you can record a video and come and stream it. Here we want to go to live stream. When you come to live stream, there is studio. You click studio, not to pre-record content. The one now you see there you record. You choose to pre-record content video, then if you want to air it. So now we want to go to the studio because we are doing live streaming. Then here, select the destination where you want your live to go. There is YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Switch, Instagram, all those. Here we are interested with YouTube. So write a title, click connect. Description, you can describe here. Connect. Later. Then here, you have either you want it landscape or portrait. Portrait is vertical, landscape is horizontal. So we can try both of them. Then the video should be public, but for me, let me put it private because I don't want people to see it because I'm not going in a live. So let's put it private. That should be public. Yeah, ads. Here, if you're monetized, it's why you come and choose. If you want your ads to be aggressive, balanced, conservative, none. None. If you're monetized, you can't say none. For later, you come here and create schedule. When you click change, you can say which date you want it to be done. Upload thumbnail. If you want to upload thumbnail, but since you are doing a faceless, there's no need of uploading any thumbnail. Create with AI. If you want to create with AI and thumbnail, it's okay. But Here we are not scheduling the live. So we say create live stream. When you create a live stream, so when you enter studio, you find this one like this. So there is mute. You want to mute the sound, but here we're not muting the sound because when you stop the cam, because we don't want to be seen, you click there, stop the cam. So when you stop the cam, you are left with the mic, so you can talk without people seeing him. Then here you have to say the name that you want. You want people to see me like me see when I go live. You see the name as appears there. So you click again, enter studio. When you click there, double where you can invite someone. It's you to choose which layout that you want. For me, because I'm alone, I'll choose solo layout. So I'll choose that one, solo layout, and there. Now, from there, yeah, you can go live. See here, click. You can go live. If you want to post a comment here, say subscribe, send. Oh, it doesn't support on private. Okay. So I forgot you on private. You can write a comment here like subscribe, then you pin it, then you click here and go live. Ready to go live? Yes. Go live. When you go live there now, nobody is seeing you. You can talk, right? There from there. This is for but landscape. If you want for those who are looking for WH and for subscribers, you can do. You can do portrait. So let's do portrait. Let's end this live. End the live stream. If you want to generate the clips of the live that you've done, you click in generate them. But here we're not generating anything. Return to dashboard. And return to the dashboard, you come back here. So the same here, you do the same process. Again, title, connect, create, connect. Now here we change to portrait. Public, let me put private because I don't want people to see I'm live. Because I don't want to go live now. Then just changing there. Say create live. That's the you're entering the studio now. You mix the camera. You remain like that. Enter studio. Hands. Alright. Then go live. Are you going to go like no? Yes. Yeah, like now. This is portrait now. If you're looking for watch hours and subscribers, this is the best today. You can use the portrait. That is, when you use the YouTube app, you can go with vertical. There's vertical and horizontal there, but here they use landscape and portrait. Yeah, that is there. So I hope you're certain those people who don't. You think that you go going live, you must show your face. No, it is not a must to show your face. I hope this one has helped you so that next you can start going live. Going live makes you create community because interact with the people one-on-one. Either you're monetized or not monetized, it is good to go live once in a while so that you can create your own community so that they can see you on live. They can talk to you. They can ask the questions that you want. You can interact and know what your people think about you, what they want you to do next. So much seeing someone live, it's not like watching the video because they are watching the video. They know that I'm watching the person may not even see my comment, but when you're live, you speak to them one-on-one. And you create a strong community. So it is advisable for someone to do them. So small creators, and even for us small creators who want to gain more subscribers and more, those who are not monetized, they want even watch time, do lives. Even when you do live, those who are small creators, those who are monetized, it is an advantage because you find people to give, they come and gift you, and those gifts, they are part of revenue for your charge so that you can earn it at the end of the month. You can get gifts. The gifts come in terms of super chat, membership. Most people, even when membership, they want to buy it when you're online so that you can give them a shout out. So once in a while, and even sending those gifts, when you're live, that's when mostly you get most gifts instead than when you post a video. There's some people come and leave even when you post a video, but when you go live, mostly people come. Even going live, you can find a stranger who don't know you was just passing and they can just gift you or they can subscribe to your channel. So I hope now you can at least once for the faceless, because I did this mostly for the faceless channels. You can do it once in a while. You can communicate to them even without them seeing your face. Just talk to them, you read their comments, they'll be very happy. It's not a must to show your face. You can create your community even without showing your face. Thank everybody for staying here up to this moment. I hope you've learned something. The faceless creators, you don't have to worry anymore that how do I go live without showing my face. This video is for you. Ask anything on the comment section. I'll be willing to guide you where you've not understood. I will help you. Thanks so much. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye bye.